but I remember everything. I remember the promises Subaru made, the words Subaru told me, the things Subaru has done. I remember all of it.
I don't remember! I don't remember any of it! Who are you? Who are you? Who are you all? Who are you all talking about? Putting your life on the line for someone else? Throwing yourself into danger without thinking for someone else? Running with everything you've got all for someone else? Risking your very life just to accomplish something for someone else? Is that even possible? Can someone like that really exist?